like and follow for more amazing content.
Hello everyone. This is our product multi-lines master intercom EFI-15-S12-EX. This device has 5 major features. Number 1, it is divided into 3 parts: main unit, external extension unit, and car auxiliary unit. Number 2, this intercom system can realize multi-party conversation. Number 3 features of this intercom: low noise, low attenuation, loud sound. Number 4, use analog output, fast communication speed, high accuracy and simple processing. Number 5, used in all elevators working in explosion-proof environments. If you find it useful, please follow me.